everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Today is an exciting day. Even though it's July, I'm here to announce my 13 Frights Before Halloween event that's going to be coming up here on YouTube. This is going to be a YouTube event. Now, normally in the past, I have done this just for my channel 13 days before Halloween, and it's really a rushy thing to get everything done and videoed and uploaded and give you time to make something for Halloween. So this year I thought, let's do our 13 Frights Before Halloween, but let's make it 13 weeks before Halloween to give you more time. So I pulled out some of my old stash papers. I always keep everything that's Halloween. I don't get rid of anything. So here's just a small sampling of what I have that I'm going to be working with starting August the 1st, because that's the first day. That's a Monday. That's going to be the first week for 13 weeks before Halloween. And then on Halloween day, on that Monday, I will do a recap of all the projects to kind of show you. But what's different this year is I'm going to do a collaboration with other YouTube crafters, designers that have channels here on YouTube that love to do Halloween crafts. So I have several that have already committed to doing it for 13 weeks, which is great. And their names are going to be listed in the description box, and their names to their channels and a link so that you can go subscribe, because it's very important that you go subscribe to everybody's channel so that you don't miss anything, and click the bell. Then that's the ones that will be participating in the collaboration. They're committing to doing a Halloween project for you, or video every week for 13 weeks before Halloween, along with me. Now then, there may be others who want to participate but don't have time to do the full 13 weeks, and that's fine. So what they can do is do a project 1 week, 2 or 3 weeks, whatever they want to do, whatever, if you're one of those and you want to participate, and you will then put the hashtag down in the bottom of your descriptions to show that you are participating not as a full-fledged 13 weeks YouTube crafter, but that you are doing some of the Halloween projects during the 13 Frights Before Halloween, and you want to share your project with everyone. And what this does is anyone who goes and searches in YouTube and types in that hashtag will see all the videos that pop up. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's just a way to use up some of our Halloween stash, and of course I'm going to go shopping as soon as new stuff hits, which is hopefully during August. Get some new stuff and play with those too. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So I invite you, if you are a YouTube video channel and you do Halloween crafts and you want to join in on the fun. So if you want to be a YouTube crafter, want your channel to participate all 13 weeks of Sandy's 13 Frights Before Halloween, and you want your name, your link, and the name of your channel listed in all the descriptions of everyone that's committed to 13 weeks, shoot me a message. You can post down here in the comments below. I'll add my email down in my description of this video, and you can email me and let me know that you want to join in. But I do need to know by Tuesday, July 26th, yes, by Tuesday, July 26th, so that I can kind of get all the lists made up, and because we're going to be starting soon. It's going to be August 1st, and that's the first video that you need to do. And it's okay if you schedule your videos ahead of time. If you know how to do that, you do YouTube and you know how to do that. Now, if you're just a crafter and you have a YouTube channel, or even if you do share tutorials and videos and you just want to join in once or twice during the 13 weeks, then you will just do the hashtag in your video description, and you don't have to let us know. So what people will do again is just go to search, and they can type in the hashtag and pull up all the videos and see all the wonderful, frightfully fun, spooky, ghoulish Halloween crafts that we can start working on for Halloween 2022. So thanks everybody. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell, and then also give me a thumbs up if you like my 13 Frights Before Halloween, or you're interested in joining in. And again, let me know if you want to be doing all 13. Let me know that in an email that I will link in, put in the description below, or it's also under my about information. So get in touch with me by July 26th. It's real important so that we know that you are going to be doing all 13 days, so you can get your YouTube channel linked and listed. Okay, that's it for today. Happy Halloween. Oh yeah, see, I've got on my Halloween shirt to inspire me. This is my scary Halloween scrapbooking shirt. So anyway, I told my hair it's July, it's hot, my hair is pulled up, and that's why it's hot. It's still very hot, but I'm going to get into the mood for Halloween. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.